Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, we're unboxing the Casio G-Shock watch model GA-B2100CY-1AER. Let's get started. The Casio G-Shock GA-2100 watches are renowned for their durability and sleek design. With a slim profile and carbon core guard structure, they offer both style and toughness. The octagonal shape pays homage to the iconic G-Shock DW5000C. The GA-2100 series combines classic aesthetics with modern functionality, featuring various color options and reliable shock resistance. The Casio G-Shock GA-B2100 boasts a range of features tailored for active lifestyles. Some key functions include 1. Shock resistance, built to withstand impacts and vibrations, ensuring durability in various environments. 2. Carbon core guard structure, integrates carbon fiber components for enhanced toughness and reduced weight. 3. The watch is water resistant to 200 meters, allowing you to both swim and dive with confidence. 4. World time, allows you to easily view the time in different time zones around the world. 5. Stopwatch and timer, handy tools for measuring elapsed time and countdowns. 6. LED backlight, ensures visibility in low light conditions. 7. Alarm function, multiple alarms for reminders and scheduling. 8. Auto calendar, automatically adjusts for months with different lengths, providing accurate date information. 9. Countdown timer, a feature that lets you set a specific time to count down from. 10. Super illuminator, intense LED light for improved visibility. 11. This model can be connected to a phone via Bluetooth and comes with the following features. Auto time adjustment. Easy watch setting. Approximately 300 world time cities. Time and place. Reminder. Phone finder. The case width of this model is 45 mm, and it weighs 52 grams. The crystal is mineral. The watch is solar-powered, with a battery that charges in light. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.